Hello guys, welcome to the stream on 30 January 2023 and we will start to analyze Bitcoin. After almost 1 month of rally, we will start with the monthly charts and we will see still we are at the monthly in the downside of stochastic with RSI under 50 line, and we have 89 exponential moving average. I talked last time regarding this 89. Maybe we will not lose it. We have the rejection from this, but pending here, and after that bounce this. We have this slope of exponential moving average, which now Bitcoin must to break it. This exponential moving average will work like a resistance. We see 2 months in July, and in August we stop by 55 exponential moving average on the weekly charts. Previous in 2019 these 55 act like a support. In COVID period these 55 act like a support. Now we have 1, 2. Now we will see where we close this month tomorrow, and it's third month which is acting like a resistance. If we go on the weekly, we are under 200 exponential moving average. Soon we will have a dead cross. Dead cross means 55 exponential average will cross 200 and will put pressure on prices. So if volume is not coming, or if we will not have here a pivot, or let's say at this resetting of the stochastic and on the lower time frame, this area will not hold, and this bear cross will cross. That cross will start to put more pressure on the downside. We see the slope of the exponential moving average. We see when we are in the bull market, and we see here the slope. So this will continue to put pressure. So we need something, a pivot in this area, and continue to construct something on the positive side. Or if this will come with a short pivot, most of the people they can short here. We see this supply zone. If we are taking out the indicators and we put this, we see diagonals. We have here, and this we don't know if we break this. We have this supply zone coming from August, and see we have the rejection here. We have a down pattern, break it and push in this supply zone the prices. So volume must come, or at the resetting we must stop at the Fibonacci level somewhere 0.5 0.618 in this area, or this exponential moving average will bounce off lower time frame each time. So resetting must hold and construct something positive. If not hold, then this exponential moving average will put pressure on prices. So we have, after that we have this level, and we have this level, and we mark this level for supporting. If we go at 3 days, we see the same thing. We have this supply zone, we have this RSI coming in the upstairs and under 200s. We have stochastic upstairs. So resetting on the low time frames must to hold 55, 13, 34, 21. These exponential moving averages need to hold it, to act like a support, and to build, like I say, on the higher time frame. something positive. If we go on the daily, we see this exponential moving average acting in the past. This is 1597. Why I choose this number? This is the Fibonacci numbers. I choose all the time the Fibonacci numbers because they are strong in trading. We see this rejection in August 2022, and after that came to today on this price and rejected. We have this supply zone, plus we have 244, 13, 221, 34, we have 200 moving average, 144. All these must to act like a support on lower time frame or this daily. So soon we will have also the golden cross on the daily time frame. So most of the time when we have this, we know it's coming with a volume, or price can come on this area and test it, the cross, and after that to continue to run. We see we have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bear, and they announce us that we will have some divergence on this, and we have the divergence on the daily, and now it's playing that divergence. We have also divergence on the stochastic, a bear divergence. We see this is the cross down and the price continue to go up. So now we have in place this divergence. If we go on the 4 hour, I say today in our channels that maybe we have a pattern here which can come with a resetting. This was the pattern, and we see this is a demand area on 4 hours. We saw that the price fall down, and after that on the lower time frame, if we go at 1 hour, they try to break it. They couldn't, and it's coming now on this demand area. Demand area, if we go also with exponential moving average, is the first time when we tried this exponential moving average after we bounce it. We see we try it here, and after that we continue the rally. We make a base here, and after that continue the rally. We have the base here, test the demand area, test it, and after that we have a rally. We have this pattern play during the almost 1 week, and now test it and continue to go to the downside. So most of the exponential average between 1 hour and 1 day need to hold on the resetting of 1 hour. Even if it is holding at 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 minutes, it's a potential play on scalp area. If we go on futures, I talked also yesterday, I say pay attention at futures because we are in the supply zone, and also we have 200 and 200 exponential moving average on the resistance area. So most of the institutes, they are watching on the futures, and we have this gap here from 520 till 20,000. So it's a gap. Possibility the price will come till this area, on this demand area. We'll have a spike on this testing, some exponential, all will come in this area and testing this diagonal, because we have here a pattern. We see approx a pattern, and this if will hold and can build something positive, continue. We have maybe leads resetting and continue, or we continue on the negative side, but something must hold here. Regarding the dominance, we have this price hit this supply area and if we get the rejection, some alts will continue to make a rally. We see here during the January how dominance go up and Bitcoin go up, but during this rally also some alts pump together with Bitcoin. So it's a possibility to have this resetting and to have continue some of the coins run. If you go on total 2, I talk also this the same. Total 2 hit on the daily the 200s like futures and others, and we have this pattern here and possibility to come down till here on this support and test it and bounce, or continue to come here and bounce. We have different scenarios, but till now lower time frame must to hold this demand area and continue to run. If we go on the stocks, we see the same thing. After SPY break this, try to break it here, after that crossing here, maybe it's coming to turning here and to see if it is stopping on the resetting or will continue to fall down. We have this demand area. After that, at the beginning of January, hold it and run, and together with this Bitcoin have 1 month of running like stock. The stock, this area couldn't break it, this supply zone, and was rejected. And today with Bitcoin have a resetting, also stock, also Bitcoin, also futures, all the coins in the resetting correction after 1 month run. I'm expecting these resettings lower time frame to hold, to continue to build something, or to put pressure of EMAs and to continue to fall down. Each resetting, like I say, exponential moving average must hold to bounce at 5 minutes, 10 minutes for a scalping. Thank you very much for all your attention. We will make another stream Wednesday, and we will continue starting this year to make 2 streams per week. Thank you very much. I wish you a good day or a good night.